Hi, I'm Alan from Newlands Pets, and we are always asked that when you're feeding a healthy diet, something like raw or a premium kibble, what are you going to feed for treats? So you don't want to feed some rubbish treats and then ruin everything, all the work you've done with the great diet. A good example is these natural treats here. So we've got beef tendons, we've got beef slice with hair on it, we've got rabbit ears, furry rabbit ears and non-furry rabbit ears. They are so popular. And things like ostrich crisps here. This range is massive. We've got loads and loads of different things that you're bound to find one that works for your dog and works for you. So they are a great thing to add to a healthy feeding regime. So next time you're in, just ask the question, what can you feed that's healthy alongside the food, and we're here to help.